Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn the new topic, matrix chain multiplication. So before going to this topic, you should know the basics of the matrix. Like a matrix contains rows and columns, or like A1 is a matrix, a 5 by 4, we can call it as 5 by 4. That means 5 rows and 4 columns. And in multiplication, right, some of the rules are there. The columns of the first row should be equal to the rows of the second row. Okay, the columns are, while multiplying two matrices, the columns of the first row should be equal to the rows of the next matrix. Okay, so 4 and 4 equal, right? Then only we can do the multiplication. Okay, now we have to multiply A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, we have to multiply A1, A3, A2, A3 and A4. So why we use matrix chain multiplication? Using dynamic programming. Okay, so dynamic program, what it means? It is nothing but there will be many solutions for a given particular problem. So choosing the best one, which is easy. Okay, dynamic program help us to do that. Matlab, it will break the big problem into the small problems. Like this it will do. Okay, we will solve this using the tabular form as in the dynamic programming. Okay, already we have done in the previous video of our knapsack. So here we will be using the same tables as well. Here we will be using the table as well. Okay, so let me tell the answer now. I mean, how to do what is the process. Okay, so you know the basic rule of matrix, like while matrix multiplication, the row the column of the first row should be equal to the row of the second row, the row of the second matrix. Okay, now what I told, now I have to multiply A1 into A2 into A3 into A4. This is one way. What we can I can write A1 into, see my main theme is to tell you that there are many ways to multiply this, right? There are many ways to multiply the 4 matrices. I can multiply A1, A2 into A3, A4. First A1, A2 and then A2, A3, like that. Next A1 into A2, A3 into A4, or A1, A2 that into A3 into A4. Like this I have like maximum many number of many number of steps like I can follow. Like there will be different types of solution I can use different one. But here with the use of dynamic programming in the tabular form, we are going to solve it in a very easy way. Okay, which we will have to use, what is the best solution, like that we will use. So before that, you should know the matrix multiplication. Do take any example and try 2-3 different types. Okay, and observe the scalar multiplications. Okay, that will be different. So now let me solve this. How to solve this? Here, before solving this, as there are four right, and equal the given n value is 4, right? So in question there will be given the 4 matrices and the how many number of this one matrices. Okay, so as 4 is given, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and same 1 2 3 4. Draw 2 matrices like this, sorry, 2 boxes like this, same 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now as you can say, there will be formula with doing all this, but without knowing the formula also I am going to tell in an easy way, without using formula, how I have to do. Okay, as if I take 1 1, that is matrix nothing but matrix 1. So 5 by 4 I am taking, it is not possible, that's why I am taking 0. Similarly, if you multiply with the same matrix M2 to M3 M4, so see 1 1. Okay, here row column 1 1, I am taking the first matrix A1, 5 into 5 by 4, right? So with that matrix I am placing 0, because if I multiply the same matrix with that, what will happen? It won't multiply, that's why the value is 0. Okay, next 1 2 A1 A2, so 5 by 4 into 4 by 6, as 4 for common, 5 by 4 into 6, 5 4 20, 26 120. So here the value is 120. Similarly 2 3, what is 2 here? 4 6 6 2, 4 6 6 2, 4 6 2, that is nothing but 48. And similarly for 3 4 is nothing but 6 2 2 7, 6 2 2 7, that is nothing but 6 2 7. 6 to 12, 12 sevens 90, yeah, 84. Yeah. Now, see, you got it right how I have done. This is the matrix place 1, 2, multiplied 1 and second, first matrix and second matrix, and 2, 3, second matrix and third matrix, 3, 4, third matrix and fourth matrix. Now, for 1, 3, 1, 3, I have two ways. Either I can multiply 1, 2 first and then that multiply with 3, or 1 one time and 2, 3, like this. 2, 3 I will multiply here 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2 is 120, plus only 3 is 0, like 3, 3, 0, plus 1, 2 into 3, 1, 2, what is the resultant of 1, 2? See, after multiplying 1 and 2, you will get the result matrix as 5 by 6. Okay, 4 will be deleted. Okay. According to the multiplication, we can take it as 5, 6. Okay, 5 by 6. So here, in place of 1, 2, we can write 5 by 6 matrix. It is a resultant matrix will be 5 by 6 matrix, and the 3 matrix is 6 by 2. So we will be multiplying 5 into 6 into 2. 120 plus 0 plus 5, 6, 30, 32, 60. That is 180. And 1, 2, 3, if you take 0, 1 is 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3 is 2, 3 is 48. Plus, what is the resultant matrix of 2 and 3? 4, 6, 6, 2. 4, 2 will be the resultant matrix. 4, 2. And this one will be the matrix 5 by 4 matrix, right? What will be the resultant? 5, 5 into 4 into 2. That is 48 plus 5, 4 is 22. 5, 4 is 20. 22 is 80. 40. Total 88. So, yeah. If you know the basics of multiplication of matrix, like say matrix multiplication, then only you can do it faster. It will be very useful in examination. Now 1, 3 is done. Now 2, 4. See, I am taking in diagonal only. I am solving the diagonal ones only first. Okay. See, this one diagonal done. This one diagonal. Now this one. 1, 3 done, right? 2, 4. 2, 4 also I can write it in two ways. 2, 4. Let me write. 2, 4 also I can write it in two ways. What is the two ways? 2, 3 into 4 and 2 into 3, 4. So 2, 3. 2, 3, 48. 48 plus 0, 4 will be 0, and 2, 3 into 4 is there, right? So 2, 3. What is the resultant of 2, 3? 2 and 3 resultant is 4 by 2 matrix. 4 by 2 matrix, right? 4 by 2 matrix, and A4 is 2 by 7. So 4 into 2 into 7. Similarly, 2 is 0 plus 3, 4. 3, 4 is 84, right? Plus 2 into 3, 4. 2 is 4 by 6. And the resultant of 3, 4 is 6, 7. 6 by 7. Okay. So, resultant will be 4 into 6 into 7. Okay. Now, 48 plus 7 is 14. 14 into 4. 56. And this one, 84. 84 plus 24 into 7. As it will be greater, right? By without solving one I can say it is greater. So I am taking the less one. See, here or here I am taking the lesser one. Here 188 I got and 88. I am taking the lesser one here. Similarly, in the same way, in here what I got lesser, 48 plus 56 is 104. Right? It will be greater than 104. So in these two I am taking the 2, 3 into 4, right? 104. 104. Now the final one. Before going to the final one, I am explaining this as well. This diagonal all zeros, right? No need to do anything in this. Okay. So here 120. How you got 120? By multiplying 1 and 2. So here the last one which is multiplied previously, right? We will be taking that matrix. Here 1 we have multiplied with 1. Okay. The column which we are taking. Okay. The column which we are taking, we will be writing that matrix 1. Similarly for 2, 3, 2. For 3, 4, 3. Like this. Now for this one, 1, 3. How we are multiplying? 1 into 2, 3, right? 1 into 2, 3. So here I am taking the which column? Matrix of 1, right? That's why I will writing 1. And for this 2, 4. How I am multiplying 2, 4? 2, 3 into 4, right? 2, 3 into 4. So I am taking the column of which column? Third. So third matrix I can write here. Don't be confused on this. I have done a simple thing. Here while writing that, the column, the matrix which I am taking the column, for multiplying, right? I will be writing that matrix only, the matrix of that number. Okay, this is the matrix number 1, matrix number 2, matrix number 1, 2, 3, 3, like that. Now at the last one, 1, 4. What are the possible ways that I can use? 1 and 2 to 4, 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4, and 1 2 3 4. These are the 3 ways I can use. 1 2 comma 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 and 4. So how you can write now? 1 is 0, 2 comma 4 is how much? 2 comma 4 is this only. This is 104 plus some 1 is what is the matrix of 1? 5 by 4 into 2 by 2 4. What is the resultant matrix of 2 4? 2 4 4 4 7, 4 by 7 matrix. 5 into 4 into 7. So the resultant matrix of 2 4 is 4 by 7 and this is 5 by 4. So 5 into 4 into 7. Similarly write for this as well. For 1 2, see for 1 2 it is 120. 120 plus for 3 4. For 3 4 it is 84. Plus it will be, see, similarly it will be greater only, as 1 2 resultant of 1 2 is 5 6 and it is 6 7. 5 6 7. It will be greater only. So I am not calculating this. Okay. Calculate that in exam. Yeah, it will be look good. So for explaining purpose I am not calculating that. And 1 3 4. 1 2 1 comma 3 value is 88, right? Observe that matrix as well. And only for 4 0. And for 1 3 4. So 1 3 into 4. There is also multiplication, right? What is the resultant matrix of 1 3? That is, see, 5 4 4 6 6 2. 5 2. 5 2 will be the resultant matrix. 5 2. And for 4 2 7. So that's why I'm using 5 into 2 into 7. So by seeing this, I'm like 5 into 4 into 7 is always greater than 5 into 2 into 7, right? So this will be the minimum. If you want to calculate, you can calculate. But according to me, by seeing this, I am getting that this will be the smaller. So 88 plus 70. It will be of 158. Now the main question is what value get here. Here you write 158, but what the value get here. So what we are using here, 1 3 into 4, right? Which column we are using? Third matrix column. What is the third matrix column? That is, like which matrix we are using? Third matrix. That's what you can write. No need of write column, just the matrix. Okay. So 1 1 3, 2 3 3, like this you have to write. So at last, what are the, in which way we are doing multiplication? 1 3 into 4, right? 1 3 into 4. So A1 A2 into A3 total into A4. Okay, done. Now for 1 3, how we have done? For 1 3 we have written 1 into 2 3. What we have done? 1 into 2 3, right? So 1 into A2 into A3 into A4, like this. You got it, right? So if I want to dot 3, then how can I draw? A1 A2 A3. First I am multiplying A2 and A3. Then I am multiplying it with A1. Then I am multiplying with it A4. Like this you have to draw. Okay. This is the way of matrix chain multiplication. If you have any doubts, you can comment me on the comment section. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you.